I just had a customer that came back to drop in a 2015 MacBook Air for keyboard replacement. Customer came in this morning, I gave her a price, and she was not too happy about the price. She tried to negotiate, what's your best price, what's your rock bottom price, what's the minimum you can fix this for. She tried to negotiate the price, and I told her, I'm sorry, that's the price. We do not give you a price so that we can give you another price when you ask for it. Our prices are set, and that's the price to fix the MacBook. So she said thank you, she left, and she just came back and brought the MacBook. This happens to us every single day. Customer asks, they leave, and then they end up coming back. Is it a good thing to negotiate with the customer? Is it a good thing to offer the customer a lower price when they ask for it? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. When you give your customer a price, just stick to that price. You need to know your prices. Think about the price before you give it to the customer, because once it goes out from your mouth and you give it to the customer, there's no going back. You do not change the price. Changing the price looks bad. Whenever I give a quote, I give the quote based on a couple of things. Risk factor. Let's say we are working on an iMac, a 2015 27-inch iMac that came in for whatever reason. We need to open the screen to get to the inside. It will take two people to open the screen. I do not open the screen by myself because you can easily drop the screen, you can easily crack the screen, and the screen is about $600. So we work on it two people. I have to take into consideration parts involved. I have to take into consideration how much time it will take to get the device fixed. Let's say we are working on an iPad that does not charge. I'm thinking in my head, maybe it's a charging flex cable. We need to solder a new charging flex cable. Maybe we have to change the TriStar chip. Maybe it's something else on the motherboard. So we have to take that into consideration. And we also have to think about, what if we are trying to pry the glass open and it cracks? We have to replace it. So when I give customer a price, I give him a price based on what I think is fair for the customer and for me. We also have to keep in mind warranty. We offer the customer 60 days warranty. What if the customer came back after 45 days with the same problem? We're gonna have to work on that device again for free. We charge the customer a little bit more now so that we can offer the customer 60 days warranty. We can offer the customer good customer service. We can offer the customer quality service. We can offer the customer quality parts. So all those are formed into a price that we give to the customer. You may be happy going to a shop and spending $30 to fix a screen rather than spending $70 at a quality shop. But when you get home, you realize, I spent $30, but the screen does not look good. The colors do not look good. Brightness does not look good. You drop it once and the screen breaks, or it's giving you touch issues, or whatever the case may be. So when you are paying money for quality of the service being offered. You are paying money for the quality parts. You are paying money for customer service. You are paying money for the warranty that's being offered on that device. If customer asks for a lower price, let's say you initially asked $165. Customer asks, what's your lowest price? And you reply by saying $125. You just knocked off $40. Customer is going to be alert. Customer is going to be confused. Customer is going to be thinking, it didn't take much to knock off $40. The guy was overcharging me. It's a good thing I told him so he can lower down the price. They're going to be afraid of you. Now, the next thing the customer is going to do is they're going to try to lower down the price even further because they saw how easy it was to lower down the price. The next thing they're going to do is they're going to ask you for a bigger discount. Can you do it for $100? I'll pay you cash, or whatever the case may be. And even if you go down to $100, the customer is going to be more afraid now. Now, there's no trust. Trust level is going to go down because you initially quoted them 165, then 145, and now it went down to 100. The customer is going to be alert. They're not going to trust you. I mean, you give them a price and you went down on the price. So you are initially ripping them off. They had to ask you for you to go down on the price. And even if you give them a lower price, they're going to end up leaving and not fixing that device because they want to see what's out there. They want to see what other people are charging for that device. Whereas on the other hand, if you told the customer our prices are fixed, that's the price, it's going to make them comfortable. They're going to know, okay, the guy just gave me a price and that's the price. There's nothing I can do to go down lower. They're going to feel comfortable giving you that device because they know that they cannot negotiate the price. And the next time they come to you, they're not going to negotiate because they know that your prices are fixed. Whereas the other person who you gave a lower price to, every time they come to your shop, they're going to negotiate. Every time they come to your shop, they're going to ask you to give them a discount, and it's going to be a nightmare. So do not go down on that road because it's going to drain you down and it's going to waste a lot of your time. Now, when should we give a discount? I give a discount if a person came in with 4 devices and he tells me, I want to fix all 4. can you give me a discount? Of course, I can give you a discount because you are fixing 4 devices, and I give him a discount. Or if a business comes in, they're bringing devices every day, of course, I have to give them a discount because I have to take into consideration that the business has to make money and the business is bringing in devices every day. If a business came in with 1 device, I'm going to charge them full price. I'm not going to give any discount. But if a business is bringing in devices every day, or they're bringing in a lot of devices per week or per month, then I have to give them a discount. Common sense. So I just wanted to share this information. I hope it helps somebody out there. My way may not be the best way. You may have a better approach or a better way of dealing with discounts. Let me know down in the comments. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.